Hi, this is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open the notification panel, and if you want to here add some options or remove some of them, or just to change the position of the icons, we should tap to these three dots on the right upper corner and then click here to edit titles. To add some options to our panel, we should just click on each of these pluses on the right upper corner on each of the panel icon. So let's add the camera access, or for example the Google Assistant and the live captions option. So now we can see that we just add them successfully. If you want to remove some of these options from here, by the same way, click here to this red minuses by this way. And to change the positions of the panel here of these icons, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. As you can see, that's all simple. Just click to go back to save all the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.